In this tutorial today, let us look at this basic algebra and how to work out the solution to this basic algebraic expression. Here we have 2 raised to 10 plus 2 raised to 10. You can see from the question it's the same term, which means this term is the same as this term. And the operational sign here is plus. So what do? As long as it's only 2 terms, okay, and the terms are the same, write out 2, then times one of the term, you can pick up one of the term and write 2 raised to the power raised to 10, okay. Now since you are multiplying, this is the same thing as what? 1. In this case, bring out one of the terms, one of the bases, then add the exponent. That will be 1 plus 10 give us 11. Now in this case, the operational sign here is multiplication. What do? And since we have the same term and the same base, bring out one of the bases. Now you add the exponent. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, that will give us 20. Our final answer is 2 raised to 20. Okay, and this last one, this is a term dividing itself. And when a term is dividing itself, that gives us 1. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.